As the beautiful game of football continues to evolve, the need for speed has never been more critical. A player's velocity can make all the difference in a fast-paced match, turning the tide in mere moments. Looking at the 15 players who have had the fastest recorded speeds in football, you see plenty of the faces you would expect, and maybe some that you wouldn't, whilst the order will surely raise some eyebrows too. Just outside the top 10, you will find Alphonso Davies of Bayern Munich, Nuno Tavares of Nottingham Forest, Erling Haaland of Manchester City, Real Madrid's Federico Valverde, and PSG speedster Achraf Hakimi. All of them have recorded average speeds of 36.2 km/h or greater. At 10, we have AC Milan's Rafael Leao, a dynamic forward possessing blistering speed, versatility, and technical prowess, who clocked 36.5 km/h. Just ahead of him is Aston Villa's Moussa Diaby, who reached an average speed of 36.52 km/h when playing for Bayer Leverkusen. 8th and 7th on the list are two Liverpool players. In 8th is their record acquisition, Darwin Núñez. He might have had a mixed start to his Liverpool career, but the Uruguayan forward has posted strong underlying statistics. And next, it is no surprise to see Mohamed Salah on the list. Showcasing lightning-fast agility on the right wing, Salah has tremendously influenced Liverpool's game. He's known to outpace defenders with his incisive runs and adept dribbling. At number 6, we find a man who might have been some people's guest for number 1, Adama Traoré. Whilst fans of his new club Fulham may not have had many chances to see him play yet due to injury, Traoré's robust physique, coupled with remarkable speed, saw him reach 36.6 km/h whilst on loan at Barcelona. In 5th is another player who recently left Barca, Ousmane Dembélé. Now at PSG, Dembélé's ambidexterity, combined with his speed and dribbling finesse, proves troublesome for defenders. In 4th place is Newcastle's Anthony Gordon. The young winger burst onto the scene with a poor Everton team before sealing a move to Newcastle United in January of last season. His speed was on show straight away, but he is also now producing more decisive moments on the ball. 3rd on this list is Chelsea flyer Mykhailo Mudryk. The Ukrainian is the Premier League's fastest player this year, clocking a speed of 36.63 km/h. He has had his struggles, but his pace has never been in doubt. Dortmund's Karim Adeyemi just misses out on the top spot. Adeyemi is a talented, extremely nimble player, ranking in at 36.65 km/h, and is one of the best young talents in European football. And the unlikely man at the top of the pile? Real Madrid's Antonio Rüdiger. Before making his move to Real Madrid, Rüdiger flourished under the tutelage of Thomas Tuchel at Chelsea, positioning himself as one of Europe's elite center-backs. His height and aggressive defending style are often sufficient to unnerve forwards. But maybe his most commendable trait is his speed, and he now holds the title of Europe's fastest player at 36.7 km/h. One of Rüdiger's standout features is his swift tackling, posing a significant threat to opponents. As per Opta, the former Chelsea player clocked the highest speed in the Premier League in 2022.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for daily updates.